Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Avid Media Composer on Mac, detailed guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Avid Media Composer on your Mac, begin by closing the application if it is currently running. Next, navigate to your Finder. In the Finder sidebar, select Applications. Locate the Avid Media Composer folder. Drag the Avid Media Composer folder to the trash icon in your dock. You may also want to open the trash and select Empty Trash to permanently remove the application. Now, return to the Finder. From the menu bar at the top of your screen, click on Go. Hold down the Option key, and you'll see Library appear in the drop-down. Click on Library to open it. In the Library folder, locate the Preferences folder. Inside the Preferences folder, search for files related to Avid Media Composer. Delete any files that contain Avid or Media Composer in their names. Now, go back to the Library folder. Open the Application Support folder. Look for any folders related to Avid Media Composer. Delete those folders as well if they exist. Next, go back to the Library folder one more time. Open the Caches folder. Delete any Avid Media Composer cache files you may find. After removing these additional files, close all open Finder windows. Finally, restart your computer to complete the uninstallation process. This ensures that all elements of Avid Media Composer are fully removed from your Mac. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.